Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we will talk about everything you need to know about Axie Infinity as a beginner and how to get started. Before moving further, kindly like this video, subscribe to our channel, and enable your notifications so you don't miss on our upcoming amazing videos. Axie Infinity, a cryptocurrency game with the slogan "Play to Earn," has lately gained popularity. That's right, by just playing the game, gamers earn money. We'll show you how to get started with Axie Infinity's fundamental gameplay in this comprehensive beginner tutorial. Axies are virtual pets that users nurture and fight in Axie Infinity. It has a lot in common with strategy games like Pokemon and turn-based card games like Hearthstone. Axie Infinity is a blockchain-based game in which each Axie is a non-fungible token, also known as NFTs. To begin playing Axie Infinity, you must first purchase 3 Axies. After then, you may either fight hostile monsters in adventure mode to level up your Axies, or battle with other players' teams in the arena to compete on the leaderboards. Smooth Love Potions, or SLPs, are given as a prize in both game types. This is the primary resource that players will want to cultivate and eventually sell for real money. We'll go through how to earn money with these SLPs, but first, let's look at what an Axie is. What are Axie base classes and groups? Well, Axies are your game's virtual pets and have a variety of characteristics, one of which is the base class of the Axie. There are 9 different classes in Axie to choose from: Plant, Reptile, Dusk, Beast, Bug, Mech, Aqua, Bird, Dawn. The Axie's position in the squad is generally determined by the Axie's class, which has distinct strengths and weaknesses. To ensure that all classes are balanced, Axie classes are divided into 3 groups: Group 1 the Beast, Bug, and Mech, Group 2 the Reptile, Plant, and Dusk, and Group 3 the Aquatic, Bird, and Dawn. Each group of classes has a 15% bonus or weakness against all classes from another group. Axies with classes in the same group don't have any bonus when attacking or defending an Axie from the same group. What exactly are Axi Stats? Axies have 4 stat characteristics in addition to their basic class. The Axie's health, or the amount of damage it can take before being knocked out, is measured in HP. Axies with greater speeds attack first, while those with lower speeds strike later. This is measured in speed. Morale improves the probability of landing a critical hit and allowing them to enter the last stand, allowing them to attack a few more times before being knocked out. Skill determines the damage bonus of combos by executing multiple ability cards. Axies have 140 stat points overall, which are divided among the 4 characteristics according to their base class. Plants, for example, often have a high starting HP, making them ideal for a defensive tank role. Beasts, on the other hand, have a high morale but a low HP, making them an excellent attacker from the team's backlines. What are Axie body parts? Axies have 6 distinct body components in addition to their basic class: eyes, ears, horns, mouth, back, tail. For this instance, the Axie has a Mavis eye portion, ear-breathing ears, a garish worm horn, a Goda mouth, a little branch mouth, and a rice tail, to name a few. Each body part belongs to a particular Axie class, and the component grants extra stat benefits based on the class. Here, take a look at this schedule. An Axie may be made up of a variety of components from several classes. This is what distinguishes each Axie. What are Axiability cards and what do they do? Finally, Axies have 4 distinct powers or techniques that they may use during combat. Cards are used to symbolize these things. In all, there are 132 ability cards in the game. On sites like Axie World, you can see the whole list. The Axie's powers are determined by the number of horns, mouths, backs, and tails it possesses. This is what distinguishes each Axie. Offensive abilities, such as inflicting harm to opponents, are one kind of ability. They may also be defensive, such as restoring Axie's health or taking energy from the other side. A good Axie should have a well-balanced collection of skills that allow him to effectively execute his job. Attacker Axies, for example, should have cards that do a lot of damage, while defensive Axies should have cards that help them survive and protect their team. How to start playing Axie Infinity? To begin playing Axie Infinity, you must first use Ethereum to purchase a starting team of 3 Axies. Here's how to go about it. Purchase Ethereum on a cryptocurrency exchange like Binance. Create a MetaMask wallet and fund it with Ethereum. Create a Ronin wallet account and use Ronin Bridge to deposit your Ethereum into it. Log into Axie Marketplace using your Ronin wallet. Purchase at least 3 Axies. The Axie Infinity gaming client may be downloaded from their website. The price of an Axie is determined by a variety of variables, including the current price of Ethereum. When purchasing Axies, be sure to conduct a lot of research first to figure out what characteristics to seek for. You may then download the game client and sync your Axies to the game once you have a starting squad ready. It's time to start earning and playing. Now we get to the important part: how can you make money with Axie Infinity? With Axie Infinity, you can make money in 2 ways: smooth love potions farming, or SLPs, and breeding and selling Axies. Let's take a closer look at these techniques. How to earn money in Axie Infinity with SLPs. In Axie Infinity, farming smooth love potions, or SLPs, is the simplest and most popular way to make money. SLPs are in-game item awards that may be obtained just by playing the game. You may then sell SLP to other gamers for real money. But why would any other player be interested in SLP? These smooth love potions, on the other hand, are used to breed young Axies. SLP costs approximately 19 cents at the time of this production. SLP price in Axie Infinity. Players may earn 100 to 200 SLP each day on average. That implies that if you got 100 SLP by playing the game today, you would have earned $19. Isn't it too wonderful to be true? There is, however, some danger involved. The price of SLP, like any other cryptocurrency, is very variable. It may drop as low as 3 cents as in April 2021, or rise as high as 36 cents as in May 2021. This is just simple economics 101, supply and demand determine pricing. Finally, keep in mind that SLPs may only be revoked after 14 days. This is to keep the economy balanced and avoid bots and abusers. Smooth love potions can be earned in 3 ways. You can obtain smooth love potions in Axie Infinity in 3 ways. Number 1. Earn SLP Adventure Mode. Play the single-player adventure mode where you fight creatures will win you SLP. You here see the SLP per level. On Adventure Mode, you can only earn a maximum of 50 SLP. Playing in Adventure Mode provides your Axies experience points, or EXP, which enables them to level up, which is a fantastic method to increase your team's strength. Number 2. Acquire SLP in the Arena Mode. Winning in the Arena Mode also earns you SLP. The more SLP you earn each victory, the better your matchmaking ranking, or MMR. For as long as you have energy to spend, there is no limit to how much SLP you may earn in Arena Mode. Number 3. Complete daily quests to get SLP. Finally, you may gain SLP by completing the following daily quests: opening the game once a day, winning 10 times in Adventure Mode, winning 5 times in the Arena. This incentivizes players to keep coming back and play the game every day, which you should do if you want to maximize your earnings. The second way to make money is by breeding and selling Axies. Players may breed Axies to create a new Axie with unique characteristics and abilities. Smooth love potions, SLP, are required to breed new Axies, and each Axie may only be bred 7 times. The quantity of SLPs consumed is determined by the number of times the parent Axies have bred previously. Take a look at this schedule. As you can see, the cost of SLP increases as the number of breeds increases. This is what keeps the SLP economy in check and prevents potential supply hyperinflation that would reduce SLP prices. These new newborn Axies may subsequently be sold on the market, used on your squad, or used to breed more Axies. This technique of making money is best suited for seasoned players. We hope that this tutorial has given you a better understanding of how the Axie Infinity game works, how to get started, and what your earning options are. Almost all of us dreamed as children of being able to make money while playing video games. Thanks to blockchain technology, this is now possible. Crypto games and non-fungible tokens will change gaming as we know it. Remember that Axie Infinity is still in its early stages and is still in alpha phase. Who knows what will happen a few years down the road when the game's creators add even more features. Well guys, thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, do like and subscribe, don't forget to put on your notifications, and share your thoughts and valuable feedback in the comments section. Plus, if you want to suggest us a topic for the next video, feel free to tell us. See you in the next video, and until then, stay tuned.